Picture this. You have a massive project due tomorrow. Your brain knows it's important. Your bank account knows it's important. Even your cat seems to be judging you. But instead of typing that first sentence, you find yourself at 2 a.m., deep diving into a Wikipedia thread about why pigeons bob their heads. Congratulations, you're procrastinating. Most people, your parents, your boss, and that annoying voice in your head will call this laziness. They think you just lack willpower, or that you're bad at managing time. But today we're going to look at the science of Blobology to prove them wrong. Procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's actually a survival mechanism gone wrong. Inside your head, there is a constant civil war between two very different parts of your brain. First, meet the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as the wise blob. It's the part of your brain that handles logic, planning, and long-term goals. It knows that finishing your work now means a stress-free weekend later. But then, meet the amygdala. This is the panic blob. Its only job is to protect you from stress and danger. Thousands of years ago, the amygdala helped us run away from tigers. Today, it treats that scary Excel sheet or that 2,000-word essay as if it were a literal predator. When you feel stressed about a task, your amygdala screams, "Danger!" and shuts down your logic. It forces you to find immediate comfort to feel safe again. That's why you end up watching cat videos. It's your brain's way of protecting you from the stress of work. You aren't avoiding the work. You're avoiding the bad feelings associated with it. This leads us to the instant gratification monkey. While the wise blob is trying to steer the ship towards success, the monkey just wants to have fun. The problem is, the more you listen to the monkey, the stronger it gets. Every time you check your phone instead of working, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. It's like a tiny reward for running away. But here's the dark side. The pleasure of procrastinating is never actually fun. It's filled with guilt. You're not truly relaxing because the dark playground, as experts call it, is haunted by the ghost of the work you should be doing. So you end up tired, stressed, and still haven't started. So, how do we defeat the panic blob? We use the 5-minute rule. The hardest part of any task is the transition from doing nothing to doing something. Your brain is terrified of the big project. So lie to it. Tell yourself, "I'm only going to work on this for 5 minutes. If I want to stop after that, I can." By making the task sound tiny, your amygdala doesn't feel threatened. It thinks, "Oh, 5 minutes, I can handle that." But here's the secret. Once you start, the friction is gone. Newton's first law applies to blobs too. An object in motion tends to stay in motion. Usually, after 5 minutes, you'll find that the tiger wasn't so scary after all. Next time you find yourself stuck, don't call yourself lazy. Just acknowledge that your brain is trying to protect you, and then kindly tell it to sit down for 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, maybe don't procrastinate on hitting that subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you know. I'm Blob, and this has been Blobology. Now go do the thing. See you in the next one.